welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I will be showing you how to make this Fortnite Llama table centerpiece for a birthday party. So this is what it looks like. It's just one-sided. You could make it double-sided, but I just decided to make it one-sided. So this is what it looks like. And this is what you'll need. So what you'll need is some kind of paper to wrap around the vase. I decided to go with this foil paper, and I bought everything at the Dollar Tree. So I got the blue paper and the purple one, and they come in rolls like this. You will need glue sticks. You will also need some kind of wooden sticks, or you can also use the kebab sticks just to stick the llama on there. And these I bought at the Dollar Tree as well. They come in a set of 15. You will need extra pieces of paper. I use cardstock. You will need some kind of foam to put inside the little vases. I bought these. It came in a 4-pack at the Dollar Tree. So I'm using these, and I'm using these little vases, plant vases I found at the Dollar Tree, and it came 2 to a pack. So this is what they look like, these little clay pots. So you will also need some kind of toothpicks. I bought these at the Dollar Tree as well, and scissors and your glue gun. So let's go ahead and make our centerpiece. You'll also need your printout, whatever you're gonna use to put on the pot or in the little vase or whatever you're gonna be using. Like I said, I bought everything at the Dollar Tree. I printed this llama on my printer with a cardstock, so it's kind of, it's not too flimsy, so it's kind of sturdy. But I will be using the wooden dowels and some white strip to put on the back to make it a little bit sturdier. So this is the printed sheet. I printed an 8.5 by 11 cardstock, and I just cut around it, and this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and assemble our centerpiece. And I will be doing this one-handed, guys, so please bear with me. So what you do is just grab, I cut, since it comes in a big roll like this, the foil, I cut it in half, and then that piece I measured, I cut it, and then I cut it in half. So I got a pretty big size here. So what you want to do is center the pot in the center of your foil paper, and all you do is wrap everything inside of the pot. So that's all you're going to do. You're wrapping everything inside the pot. And let me go ahead and fix this right here, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I am back, and here's what it looks like. So I just tucked in the foil paper inside. Now what I'm gonna do is add the little ball inside of here. Make sure to push it all the way down, like so. And then I forgot to mention that I bought these little marbles at the Dollar Tree as well, just to add some weight to our little decoration here. So that's all you do. Now this is what it looks like. You added the little marbles in there. So up next, what you want to do is glue the stick to the piece that you're going to be putting there. So I am going to glue it right here. Let me see. Yeah, in the center right there. So I'm just going to add some glue and add my stick down. Now what I want to do is add some more glue on this paper, and then glue it to the back so you could just make it a little bit sturdier. So here's what it looks like after you glued the stick down. So what you want to do next is just add it to the center of your pot. And that's what it'll look like. I'm just going to add a little bit more pebbles here. There we go. So up next, you want to add your already cut tissue paper. I already did this. I also bought the tissue paper at the Dollar Tree, and I'm using the purple, two purples, the blue, dark blue, and the light blue. So this is what I'm doing. So what you want to do is get your small toothpicks, and all you do is get your purple, fold it like that, put it through the tissue paper, and then add a little bit of glue. Just add a little bit of glue there, just to hold the tissue paper to the toothpick. Twist. And this is what it should look like. And all you do is add it to your centerpiece. Push it down. And it'll look like this. So now you do the same for the sides. You fold your tissue paper, poke your toothpick through the tissue paper, add a little bit of glue, twist, and put it in your centerpiece. Now we'll do the back. And all you need is the last one. And these centerpieces, I need them for this Saturday. The birthday party is this Saturday, so I will be going back to the Dollar Tree and purchasing the star balloons. They have blue, orange, gold. They have different kinds of the star balloons, the foil balloons. So I will be going back and purchasing the foil balloons. So I'll be buying the purple and the blue and adding them to the centerpiece. All right, guys, so this is what the centerpiece look like. So I am making 10 of these centerpieces. And as you can see, it's easy. You could do it for your for any party, birthday party, any theme. This theme is Fortnite, so this is what it looks like. But you could do this for your daughter's birthday party, son's birthday party, whoever's birthday party you want to do. It's easy to do them. You could totally do them, guys. And it's very inexpensive to do so. All right, guys, so this is a video on how to make Fortnite centerpieces for your birthday party. I will be recording or taking a video of the place, how it looks like, and how I decorate it. So stay tuned for that video. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.